own shit. Keep my nails done, hair done, bag on thick. Pretty girl got her own wit. Pretty girl got her own grip. Pretty girl got her own shit. Keep my nails done, hair done, bag on thick.
Hey guys, I'm Tash Fierce and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So this video will be the last. I'm saying hey guys. You guys did leave some suggestions. Pull them up now. Fierce gang. Most persons said Fierce gang next to Fierce family. So now it's between Fierce gang or Fierce family. Someone did say TFF, as in Tash Fierce family. What's up TFF? Oh, that's the one. I tell which one's sound better. What's up Fierce gang? What's up Fierce family? What's up Fierce family? Let's see which other one. Fierce Nation. What's up Fierce Nation? What's up Fierce Nation? Fierce gang, viewers and subscribers, call me peeps. Fierces. What's up Fierces? Fiercelets. What's up Fiercelets? Fiercelets. Fiercelets. Fierce squad. Fierce fam. What's up Fierce fam? Fierce squad. I think I'm gonna make a poll, so you guys please. Anyway, so in today's video, we're in quarantine and thing, so either we can get our lash done, or nails pop down, ear pop down, so just want to have a little buzz in the house, or you don't trust your lash tech to go and do your lash right now in this time, or you just want to buy on a budget, or you're like me, you don't want to spend 10 grand to get your lash done, in which this I am keeping it in for a week, most maybe 3 days, because I don't like to feel restricted washing my face. I have to be careful, and but I like them something there. So you can turn a strip lash into individuals. It looks just like lash extension. So watch me show you how to get this done. You can see, like, you're not seeing a bun, you're not seeing anything like that. Just look like your lash really. Make sure you guys are staying safe. Before I get into this video, make sure to pause the video right now and go like it, because girl try, not lie, girl try. And to subscribe. Road to 10k. Let's go, let's get it. 10k. So let's get it. Share, comment, like, subscribe. Let's get into this. So for things you'll need: your favorite pair of lashes. These are my favorite, number 20 lash, and it is best that you use the lashes that have the separation at the band, so it is easier when cutting. Tweezer, mascara. You can use any mascara really, doesn't matter, it is for the bottom lashes. A spoolie or a clean mascara wand, scissors. You'll also need a adhesive. It is for me, I prefer to use air glue because it is easier to work with, and yeah, you can use your lash glue or a ultra old glue, anything that is safe for the eye, go ahead, use it, but I'm using this glue. Cotton swab just in case your eye get teary, and a relatively clean surface to put the glue on. So first thing first, sanitize your hand, like stay corona free, stay safe, sanitize your hands because you'll be touching your face, your eyes, and yeah, sanitize away, girl. Me alone love blew up on my hand after I use hand sanitizer, like that little cold feeling, just yeah. So I'm just going to put some glue on the surface that I'll be working with. Don't be like me, like you don't need so much glue. You're gonna literally just waste it. So I'm going to speed up most of the video, but I'm just showing you guys how big is the piece that I cut to use to apply and how I applied it first before I speed it up so you guys can see exactly what I'm doing. Okay, so we're putting the glue on the opposite side, like it's not the side that you're used to when you would be putting the lash on the top. You'll be putting the lashes on the bottom, so the glue will go on the opposite side so it can stick upwards. And you guys might be wondering why I didn't just use the regular individual lashes that sell at any local drugstore or wherever. I think this is better so you can have your chance to use mink lashes or your favorite lash. More options this way, and this is way easier than using the individual lashes because this has a broader band. I found it easier if I start at the end, like the end as you can see where I'm at now. Like it's more comfortable to me, and I'm sorry for the angle, like I was trying my best so you guys can see exactly what I was doing. So on to the next eye. I'm just showing you guys where I cut it from, just in case you missed it. That's how I cut them. Small pieces. Dab, dab, dab. Dab. And I do apologize for that scary eye opening moment, like it's not necessary. I had to do it because of how the camera and the mirror was angled for me to show you guys what exactly I'm doing. So it is not necessary. Just look down, open your eyes, and you'll find which way is more comfortable to you. So that's it for today's video, guys. Make sure to let me know if you do it, if you find it difficult, if you found it difficult to do. This is my third time doing it, but because I have so much light on, I did get a little teary, and yeah. I did get a bit teary, so if you do find yourself getting teary, stop, pause for a while, cool down, make sure it's everything dry, because it's glue. It won't stick if your eyes are wet. So do that. I hope you found this helpful. I tried my best to make the visuals as understanding, or that you guys can see me. Like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye.